Here's a quick overview of the teardown of the Earth Day 2020 reupholstery project. Since I don't have video of this, I'm just going to illustrate a few points with some still photos. I always recommend to my students to take photos of your teardown process so that you can refer to them as you're building back up again. The outside back is the first to come off, and a rule to remember is the first off in teardown is the last on in build-up. I want you to take note of the cardboard on the back of this chair because we're going to replace it with something different. Here's a spot that warrants a photo for future reference, where the inside back meets the top of the arm, which can get tricky. Next, the outside arm and front seat band are removed. Then the seat fabric and the inside arm. And by the way, the cardboard that you can see on the inside arm in this photo will be reused. Here's another angle on the seat fabric and a detail of the top front of the arm. What I love about this chair is it has a nice sturdy frame. In fact, the oak is almost too tough, making it a challenge to get a staple into. Here's where we replace that inside back cardboard with 3 strips of jute webbing. Then a layer of jute burlap was stapled over the webbing. In the next video, I'll show you how to secure the zigzag springs to the frame with twine. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions as I work through the reupholstery of this chair for Earth Day 2020, be sure to post them in the comments below and subscribe so you don't miss anything.